Hey, this is Paul with MakeUseOf.com, and you may not have known this, but MSI, which is known for their gaming laptops, also makes custom gaming PCs. Today, we're looking at the MSI Aegis RS. And throughout this video, we're using the MSI MPG34 as our curved monitor. And if you'd like to learn more about that, we do have a review coming out in the next few days. And in terms of pre-built gaming PCs, for its components and specs, this is one of the best value machines that you can buy. And with that, you might think that you have to compromise with build quality or design, but that's not the case. With the consistent shortage of graphics cards and other components, pre-builds are often a better value. If you were to build a comparable PC on your own, the parts alone would cost more. When you factor in the labor as well as the additional warranties and guarantees that come with a pre-built system, all from one manufacturer like MSI, there's a lot of extra value that goes into a PC like this. And so if you want a PC that either just works out of the box or you can't be bothered to build one yourself, the MSI is an excellent choice. Just like with any other gaming PC, MSI is using off-the-shelf parts, allowing you to upgrade in the future if you need to. When the Aegis RS12 first turns on, you're greeted with 6 LED fans, as well as the cooler, which is also RGB. On its left side, we have the glass panel, and on its front, we have a partial glass panel, which allows us to see the fans. As a mid-tower ATX case, it does look a little bit empty, especially on its right-hand side, but it does give you the flexibility to upgrade to larger graphics cards and other components in the future. You could build a nearly identical build if you wanted to. With the exception of the memory and the case, you can buy the same exact components. Our PC has the Intel i7-12700KF, the MSI GeForce RTX 3070. For a motherboard, we have the MSI Z690 Pro, a Wi-Fi. This case is the MSI Aegis RS mid-tower. For memory, we have 32 gigabytes of MSI branded DDR5 4800. Unlike a lot of other cheaper or budget pre-builds, MSI doesn't use cheaper DDR4 RAM. Instead, we have the faster DDR5. They're using MSI M370 2TB storage. The power supply is the MSI Mag 650GF. For I/O, we have 6 USB 3.2 Gen 1, 4 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2, and 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2x2. For networking, we have 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, as well as Wi-Fi 6E. And what's great is if you like the style of this case and the MSI brand, you can basically get a configuration that works for your needs. You can get configurations with the RTX 3060 Ti and just 16 gigabytes of RAM for about $1,800. And you can also configure this up to an i9-12900KF with an RTX 3090 and 32 gigabytes of RAM. Port selection is excellent, though keep in mind you do have 4 USB 2.0s, so for faster devices, make sure you are using the faster 3.2 or USB-C connections. Although this isn't the top-end configuration for most users, the i7-12700KF and the RTX 3070 are going to be a great choice for most games and applications. And these are our benchmark results. The RTX 3070 is still one of the best value graphics cards that you can buy in 2022. It's a great choice for gaming, video editing, and other 3D tasks. Again, if you need extra performance, you can upgrade to the 3070 Ti model or all the way up to the 3090. In terms of included software, thankfully the Aegis RS12 doesn't come with too much that you wouldn't want. But if you don't want to mess with the software on the computer, you can actually manually change your colors with the most right-hand side button on the top of the PC. MSI provides a 2-year warranty with your purchase. I think the case looks its best from its front and side profiles. However, from its top and rear, it does look a little bit cheaper. One of its closest competitors, the HP Omen 40L, retails for about $2,000 as well. However, it comes with half the memory at 16 gigabytes, less storage with just a 512 gigabyte SSD and a 1 terabyte hard drive, and just a 1-year warranty compared to the 2 years with MSI. Our unit came with the Clutch GM08 mouse and Vigor GK20 keyboard in box. And if you don't already have a good keyboard and mouse on hand, the included ones are actually pretty good. And so if you don't mind pre-builds and you're looking to save a little bit of money on your next gaming PC, the MSI Aegis RS is an excellent choice. and depending on your budget, you can buy it in several configurations to meet your needs. And with the exception of a few quirk designs with its case, there really isn't anything to complain about, as its performance is excellent. So thank you again for checking out this video. This has been Paul with MakeUseOf.com. Be sure to stay tuned for a review on this monitor, which does come out very soon. Until the next one, we'll catch you later.